this conscious love, divine love, is not available if we are unconscious.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, yeah, I think this become natural byproducts. Like if we are more conscious and we, yeah. Bye, Cynthia.
Observe, like you were saying at the beginning, observe, observe, observe. Yeah, that's how he started. Observe, observe, observe.
But also and you have this, it's not just, oh, and my little consciousness to be more conscious, to be more witnessing, for my little consciousness to be not identified. So this being more conscious, less identified, in order to see the bigger picture and to see what's the actual grand plan of things and what's the reality and who is really Hamid. Yeah. and so it's, for me, I was not so much into love for a long time, but what brought me closer to love was David Hawkins some time ago, when he was bringing this to cultivate this lovingness or goodwill towards all beings. Yeah, benevolence, goodwill, lovingness, not as a feeling, but as a attitudinal position. From the understanding that, hey, we are the same family, or everybody's a child of God, and so then my dealing with people is more aligned that everything is an expression of the one. So my orientation towards relational stuff is to cultivate, this benevolence, kindness, lovingness towards all life, including oneself. So it doesn't include now to put the all time last and to take the dirty sock and to so I like that inspired me, although I didn't quite understand it. And then there was, okay, there's something to cultivate this, and then the path was like, and notice whenever you have some content which is not that's some homework, there's something to investigate. What's this about? Judgmentalism or whatever. From one angle, this shame has the element of self-pity, self-deprecation, self-assault. That's not loving, towards oneself.